What's up, guys? It's Matchbox Madness, and I am here with another Matchbox case unboxing. Today we are taking a look at a 2018 L case. Let's go ahead and get straight into this thing. I know I'm a little behind on it. I haven't had a lot of free time recently to film and stuff. Ooh, that is an ugly noise. But we're finally going to get into this. We're going to pull 3 by 3 from the top. Always the first 3 that are the hardest to get. They're really packed in there. Jeez. I'm trying to avoid knocking over all the cars all at once. Alright, there's 2. And here is 3. Alright, and it's a good first 3. All are licensed. The first one we're taking a look at, the Honda Ridgeline. Very, very cool casting. I like it a lot. The nice thing about this car is this is kind of a throwback or a nod to an old 10-pack exclusive that's very hard to find. It has the exact same deco, the 71 with the red striping and the black and yellow trim. The one difference is it's got like mud splatter, like it just went off-roading, which is very, very cool. I love it when Matchbox kind of does old tributes to old decos and cars. Very, very cool to see that. Happy to see it in the main line. It's been a 5-pack exclusive a lot recently. Nice to get a single-pack version. I really like that casting, as I said before. Here's a look at the 2013 Ford Cargo Carrier, or just Cargo, I guess. Again, licensed casting, very cool. Kind of cool to just see a 164 semi-truck front. I wonder if they'll ever produce like a trailer for it. That would be super sick, just so you could hook it up. I'd love to see Matchbox do that someday. They've done a lot of trailers recently. A semi-truck trailer would be absolutely awesome, because pairing those together would be absolutely cool. And then we have the 2000 Nissan Xterra. That is a carryover from the last case. Happy to have another version of it. I like this version a lot. Next 3. All right. We got the Crop Master. Cool, cool. Not really a big fan of that. And these next 2 are very, very awesome. We have the 1951 Hudson Hornet. This was one of my favorite castings last year. Very happy to see it return in a nice, nice red with those disc rims. Doesn't look like we get any headlights or taillights. I don't believe that was I believe that was the same way on the first one. This time it's kind of a fire scheme, though. It looks awesome. And then a 2018 new model, the Scania P360 fire truck. Oh my God, does this thing look absolutely amazing. I know my friend Ezra, big-time Matchbox collector, is very happy to see that one in this case. I know, because I know he just loved this casting. I believe he bought the poster actually at the Matchbox convention. I've collaborated with Ezra on a video on my main channel, so make sure, I'll put it down below, but his Instagram is EzraBman1. Go give him a follow. He's an absolute, he's a huge Matchbox collector, knows everything there is to know about the brand. So make sure you give him a follow for more Matchbox content. Quick shout out to him. Next 3, we got the 15 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor in Golf. That's carryover from the last case. I love that casting. We got the Frost Fighter. That is kind of a remnant of the old Matchbox days. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. It looks like, I don't know, it's like a snow ambulance, but it looks like something out of a movie, like some type of sci-fi movie. Oh, that is an ugly looking car. Unfortunate to see that one, but whatever. Then we have the NASA SEV Chariot. Again, a carryover from the last late case. Very, very cool casting nonetheless. 6 wheels, metal body. It's just very well made. So there's that. Next 3. We've got the Camel Convoy. That is a 2018 new casting, carryover from the last case. Then another carryover, the 1955 GMC Scenic Cruiser Bus. Oh boy, what a great, great casting this is. Love this casting. I've done a review on it. Just incredibly well done by Matchbox. I absolutely love it. This one seems to be sitting a little weirdly in the blister. I'm not sure what's up with that, but glad to see it carry over in the case. Very cool. Then we have the Ridge Raider, unlicensed casting. It's alright. Not anything I'm going to keep, but it looks fine. Next 3. Oh ho ho! We have the return of the Porsche Panamera. This is a fantastic casting from Matchbox. The real car itself, I think it's a little lame. It's not the best looking car in the real life, but the Matchbox version is absolutely amazing. They did a great job with it. I really like this version. I'm not sure about that gold trim on the wheels though. Outside of that though, I think it's well executed. It looks really good in blue. That card art is amazing. It looks really good on the card art. So very, very cool. Happy to see that one in the lineup. We haven't seen that one in a while. I feel like it's been a long time. We got a carryover, the GMC school bus. Not my cup of tea, but I know there are collectors out there who are big, big fans of it. All right. Next up, Snow Thrasher. All right. Cool. Kind of like an off-road truck deal. That's heavy, though. I guess that is a big metal body, but yeah, it feels really heavy. Cool to see that's a metal body. Personally, not anything I'm going to hold on to. Now we have the highlight of the case for me. I know there are some good cars in this case. We've seen the Honda Ridgeline. We've seen the Scania fire truck. We've seen the Porsche Panamera. We've got one more car coming up that would probably be the highlight for most people. But this car is absolutely incredible. I love this thing so much. This is the 2009 International E-Star delivery truck. It's an all-electric delivery truck. When they announced this thing last year, or I guess was it last year now? Yeah, technically last year, 2017. When they announced it as a 2018 new model, I was like, what is that? I did some research on it, fell in love with the car, bought the poster at the gathering, and oh my god, I cannot wait to get this thing open because it just looks so freaking cool. So review will definitely be going up on that one too, but that is the E-Star International delivery truck. Oh man, I'm just going to show that one more time because I love it so much. Look at that thing. It looks so beautiful. All die-cast body, it looks like. Oh god, I gotta get this thing open. Alright, we're gonna be doing some reviews after this, I can tell you that right now. Alright, the next three. Road Raider. Okay. And the car that I said would probably be the highlight for most people. It is the 1994 Audi Avant RS2. So, this isn't the Avant we thought we were getting. Everyone thought we were getting the old 2006 RS6 Avant. Then when the cases arrived, we got the 1994. And you can certainly notice the differences. It certainly looks a little older than the RS6. The lines aren't quite as clean. Now on the front, you can clearly see it is the RS2. It looks a lot older than the RS6 does. Is it 2004 or 2006? It's 2004, I believe. Still too fast. I love that license plate. That is a throwback to one of the old RS6, which has a license plate that I think just says too fast or something like that. But still too fast. Originally it was just way too fast or something like that. Can't remember exactly. I believe I have it somewhere back in storage. I'll have to go get it. But yeah, very cool license plate. I like that nod. I'm not sure on the entire story in this one, but kind of weird. We all thought we were getting the 2004 Audi RS6 Avant. Here's the 94 RS2. Weird story. I'm going to have to do some more research into it. I know it's been everywhere, but like I said, I've been so busy that I've really just taken a break from collecting for the last month or so. But there's the RS2, RS6, whatever the heck you want to call it. And the final three cars. The Spark Arrestor, Fantasy Casting, the 2006 Jeep 4x4. License casting. Again, I'm not a big Jeep guy, but I say I'm not a big Jeep guy. This is one I will definitely keep in the collection. This is the Willys Jeep Pickup 4x4. Just looks super cool. I like that color a lot. That might be my favorite version of it, actually. We've seen it in red, we've seen it in yellow, we've seen it in green with black stripes. But this kind of beige version just looks very, very good. So that's the case. Lots of good stuff, lots of good carryovers. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all later. Peace.